This 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2,327 terabytes is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Winnebago is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features one slide-out, a crosshatch interior, sleeps 4, CO detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, stove top burner, water heater, slide-out, LP detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2,327 terabytes is 6,188 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.